Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the guide pin in your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the pin is broken or damaged, causing the top of your stove not to be secure. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up our oven door. And we have 4 screws that we need to undo, all right up underneath the frame here. And now that we've got it unscrewed, what we're going to do is pull back slightly on this bottom panel so that we can get the metal tabs over the ledge that they're in front of, that they were screwed onto. And then we'll lift this up. And so now we're just going to put this piece of wood inside here and prop it up on the stove top there, so that it doesn't fall down on us while we're taking things apart. So on our stove, we've got 2 guide pins. We've got one on either side there. And in order to remove the old one, you're going to need to use a pair of pliers, or in our case, channel locks. And you can just grab onto it and just twist it just like you would with a screw. However, since this is a guide pin, it doesn't have the standard pieces that you can use to remove a screw. So that's why we're using the channel locks. Once you've got it loosened though, you can start turning it by hand and get it out the rest of the way. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement guide pin, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to put our guide pin in, you're just going to line up the screw hole and you're going to screw it in by hand as much as you can. And once you've got it hand tightened as much as you can, just go ahead and give it one last turn with the channel locks. Make sure that's as tight as you can get it. There we go. Now you'll take your wood out and we'll gently set the stove top down, because all of those burners are made of ceramic and they're a little bit fragile if you drop it down like that. And now we just have to line up the guide screws with the holes in our stove top. Now we can screw the trim back into place. And now you can close your oven door and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.